So I was asked, okay, what type of dark chocolates can we use no, in low carb baking? So basically, as a general rule, no, in low carb baking, we must use chocolates that are like 85% or higher sa kanyang cocoa content. And of course, it must have low carb approved sweeteners, not just any sugar free sweetener. Okay. Or there are also unsweetened baking chocolates. But of course, mas maganda yung walang masyadong additives, no? And 85% or higher, and then it's sweetened by monk fruit or stevia or erythritol. One of which sa local brands natin, I've been baking with Keto Cucina food products, sugar-free chocolates that are vegan-friendly, and legit na low-carb approved. Of course, there are also others in the market locally. Alright, so just make sure that these are 85% higher cocoa content, not just nakalagay dark chocolates. Alright, so that pasok na pasok siya sa ating low carb diet. Alright, so there you have it. Okay, so go for sugar-free, low carb, and of course, sweetened by low carb sweeteners na ingredients for your dark chocolate.